Now classification based on molecular forces. First one under this heading is elastomers. Now elastomers have very weak intermolecular forces of attraction, although which allow them to be stretched, but they also have cross links in them which allow them to regain their original shape. That means because of weak intermolecular forces of attraction, you can stretch this particular polymer, but as soon as you release the force, it is going to regain its original shape. It is going to come back to its original shape, original position. Such kind of polymers, they are called as elastomers. You have examples Buna S and Buna N. We are going to discuss the structures of all these examples in detail later further. Then fibers, all of you know what fibers are. All of you must have heard of this term nylon, a fiber that we wear. All of you are aware of this. Now these are the strongest polymers because they have the strongest intermolecular forces of attraction, which are hydrogen bonds. So the examples are nylon 6,6 and terylene. Thermoplastics, thermo, heat. Now these are solids at room temperature, but when you heat them, they become very, very soft, and hence they can be molded into different kind of toys and beads. Right? So thermoplastics are those polymers which are hard, which are rigid at room temperature, but on heating they become very, very soft. Thermosetting polymers. Now a very good example of thermosetting polymers is UV gel. If you've heard of this particular term, this is applied on the nails. If you've ever been to a parlor or you have viewed any YouTube video of nails getting done by UV gel, you must have seen that they apply the nail paint, and after that what do? They keep your nails under the UV radiation. Why do they keep the nails under the UV radiation? Because on applying heat, that means on supplying some source of energy, that particular nail paint, which is actually a polymer, that hardens up, right? So those polymers which harden on supplying heat are called as thermosetting polymers. Thermosetting, that means they set by application of heat. So what is the basic difference between thermoplastics and thermosetting polymers? Thermoplastics, they are solid at room temperature, but they become soft on heating, while thermosetting polymers, they become hard on heating. That is the basic difference between thermoplastics and thermosetting polymers.